My peeps, what's going down? All right. This video is basically talking about being real. Be a real motherfucker. Don't be this fucking guy that everything's fucking perfect and everything is this and everything is that, because everybody knows that's fucking bullshit. Everybody fucks up, everybody fails, everybody has problems, and the real motherfuckers will actually let you know, yes, I fucked up. Yes, I didn't win. Yes, I didn't blah, 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 but I'm gonna keep fucking pushing. But I'm gonna keep kicking ass. It's not about everything being perfect. It's about doing everything you can, everything you personally, you can yourself. That is what is real. Did everything work out fucking perfectly? It never fucking does. Who gives a shit? If you want to actually fucking get somewhere with not only your own life, but people actually responding to you, be a real motherfucker. Jesus Christ. I fuck up all the time. I take ownership when I fuck up. I'll be the first guy to say, God damn it, I fucked this up big time. But I'll be the first fucking guy to dive back in and fucking do it again and try to figure it out, try to fix the thing. Fix, try again, put in more effort, all the above, because that is real, my peeps. The lack of reality coming from someone's mouth, meaning, yes, everything's good, I'm perfect, there's nothing wrong, is fucking horseshit. Nobody fucking wants to hear that, and nobody will listen. So again, own the fact that you're not perfect. Own the fact that you fuck up. Own the fact that it's okay. Because that's what this shit is all about. Be a real motherfucker.